Hello and welcome to this Dr. Ross Maths key skill video on the angle at the centre being double the angle at the circumference and radii of a circle at equal in length. Now hopefully if you're viewing this video you've watched the videos or learnt about each of the individual circle theorems. Remember, circle theorems are just angle laws to do with circles. Now in this particular problem we're going to combine two of these circle theorems together, and there's two involved. The first is that if you have the angle at the centre of a circle, that's double the angle at the circumference. So this angle here is going to be double that angle there. So that's the first theorem involved. And the second theorem involved is that if this is the centre of the circle again, because these are both the radii of the circle, they've got to be equal in length. So I'm going to put a little mark to say that length is equal to that. So it means if you turn into a triangle like this, that's going to be an isosceles triangle because you've got two sides of the same length. So let's use this circle theorem first. This angle at the centre here, that will be double that angle at the circumference. So if we double that to get this angle, you get 108 degrees. And then the second circle theorem says that, well, this is the radii, it's got to be the same length as this line, which is also the radii. So that's an isosceles triangle. So we've got this angle here, those are the two base angles, so this has got to be the same angle as that one there. That's also got to be x. Now to get x, all we need to do is just do 180 minus 108, which is equal to 72 degrees. So that's the total of these two angles, and because they're the same, it's an isosceles triangle. X is just 72 divided by 2, and that gives you an angle of 36 degrees. So those angles there are both 36 degrees, and that's the value of x.